I've been exploring the Angi Mobile App for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Angi is a home services app that connects homeowners with local professionals for repairs, maintenance, and remodeling projects, all managed from a single place on your phone. It is mainly designed for people who want to hire vetted pros for anything from quick fixes to larger renovations without spending hours searching and comparing on their own. At its core, Angi lets you describe a project and get matched with local service pros across dozens of categories, including plumbing, electrical work, cleaning, landscaping, and larger remodeling jobs. You can browse profiles, see ratings, and read verified reviews from other homeowners, which helps you quickly narrow down who feels like a good fit for your home and budget. The app also highlights cost information and typical price ranges for different types of work in your area, giving you a rough idea of what to expect before you commit to a pro. For many everyday situations, such as a leaking sink, a broken light fixture, or seasonal yard work, this makes it easier to move from "I need help" to booking someone without having to coordinate multiple phone calls. However, the ratings breakdown also shows that not everyone has a perfect experience, with a noticeable minority of own and two-star reviews. While the detailed negative comments are not fully visible in the snippet, lower scores on similar service platforms often relate to issues such as miscommunication with pros, projects not meeting expectations, or occasional problems with scheduling and responsiveness. Some users may also run into technical glitches or find that certain features feel less polished, especially if they rely on older devices or slower connections, even though the app is regularly updated for performance. In addition, availability and quality can depend heavily on your local market, so someone in a large city might see more high-rated options than someone in a smaller town. Overall, Angi is a solid choice if you value convenience, a large pool of home service professionals, and the ability to see ratings and reviews in one place before hiring. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.